Applying for an internship and stuck on how to write a cover letter? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Your cover letter is your first impression. It's a chance to showcase your personality, enthusiasm, and make yourself stand out. Start by researching the company and the internship. Understand their values, culture, and what they're looking for in a candidate. Make sure your introduction catches attention. Start with an engaging sentence. Mention the internship and show your enthusiasm. Tailor each letter to the specific internship. Strike the right tone, professional yet approachable, and always follow application instructions. Proofread your cover letter. Check for errors and clarity. Seek feedback from mentors or peers to make it even better. Ready to impress? Follow these steps to craft a compelling cover letter and increase your chances of landing that dream internship. For more tips and resources, visit paperdue.com. Good luck!